Everyone, today I'll be throwing some light upon the topic, what does a solutions architect do? So according to a report of Pulse, 62% of the projects meet the original goals and 53% of them are done or completed within the original budget and only 49% of them are completed within the actual time. So in case of the enterprise software projects, these overruns can lead to huge financial losses. And this is why companies need IT solutions architects so that they can make sure that the product meets their requirement and also there isn't any time or budget overrun. A solutions architect is a person who will help out find the best technological solutions to the business problems of their clients. The responsibilities of a solutions architect, one of them is meeting the functional requirements. Functional requirements are any requirements that signifies what a software should do. For example, when a new user signs up, an email will be sent to his respective email address, or a website will not support offline mode. That is, a user will not be able to access the website without an internet connection. Next up is meeting the non-functional requirements, which refers to how a software performs certain action. For example, a mobile app only supports portrait mode or localization in Italian, Russian or English language, or maybe English set as a default language. Next is deciding on the technological stack. So there are different number of programming languages, libraries, architectural patterns, databases, etc. So the responsibility of a solutions architect is to pick the best tools for a particular project, and also this thing requires a decent amount of technical skills to access and compare the tools. Last but not the least is dealing with constraints. Every project has different types of constraints like time, money limitations and also licensing. A solution architect knows the field and therefore knows the constraints and also the ways to deal with them. So the faster you deal with these constraints, the faster and cheaper the product will be delivered. Obviously, there's much more to it, and to explore more informative content, please visit www.solutionvalley.com.